Skyline Design is an award-winning manufacturer of decorative glass for interior and exterior applications in a variety of markets, including corporate, healthcare, retail, education, transportation, and government. We are distinguished among glass fabricators by our creative collaborations with notable designers, photographers, and artists, and by our commitment to sustainable and state-of-the-art processes. Since 1983, Skyline Design has collaborated directly with architects and designers to create solutions specific to their needs. Applications of Skyline Design glass include architectural systems and doors, glass boards, wall cladding, exhibits, feature walls, elevator cabs and lobbies, canopies, railings, exterior facades, bird-safe surface one etching and printing, and so much more. Skyline Design believes in local sourcing. For its line of back-painted vitricolor glass boards, the low VOC water-based paint the company developed is manufactured within 5 miles of the Chicago factory. Skyline Design believes in environmentally friendly materials. Its proprietary eco-etch process does not use chemicals as an abrasive, but instead uses recycled aluminum oxide, which is chemical-free, reusable, and results in a surface so resilient that it renders additional sealants unnecessary. Skyline Design believes in efficiency and economy. Every aspect of our practices can be evaluated and improved in light of our environmental impact. From custom building each shipping crate in order to reduce packing material, to replacing thousands of light bulbs in the factory and offices in order to reduce energy consumption. Sustainability has and remains a cornerstone of day-to-day business practice at Skyline Design. Manufacturing processes are thoroughly reviewed for continuous environmental efficiency and improvement. This commitment to sustainability is reflected in Skyline Design's fundamental building material, glass. Made from natural materials, glass itself has an unlimited life cycle. It will not deteriorate under normal conditions and is recyclable at the end of its life. For those reasons, glass offers an environmentally superior platform for re-engineering lived space.